So the class I'm currently taking for this project is urban stormwater, where we're learning how to design drainage infrastructure for urban cities.
So we're here today at this site because we're going to be finding a way to reduce the flooding at this low water crossing. This bridge behind me is basically going to be flooded in a large storm event. So we're finding different ways to kind of reduce that flooding. That could be changing like the upstream area, changing the amount of water that comes into the bridge, changing like the way the bridge is designed so there could be more water going underneath it. But we're here to kind of evaluate on a first-person scale how we can do that.
So classes like these that are very application-based are so important to take while you're still in your undergraduate, because it shows how the conceptual classes that you're taking will actually translate into the real world. It'll show how the calculations that you're doing, the math that you're running will actually have an effect in real life, and it kind of is more concrete in what you're doing with your career, and it will kind of for sure show you, is this really what you want to do with your career, or is it time to pick something else? And it's best to do that in undergrad versus later on when you're already in the job.
This project actually has been my favorite part of this class because it's really cool to see how everything we've been learning so far can be applied to something that's real. Like I'm seeing the effects of flooding, like right now it rained, and you can see how that flooding might increase. And then we're going to be performing calculations like a real engineering design company would. And I could see that like if I come back in maybe 10 years and the flooding is reduced and I see something changed about that bridge and I'm like, oh, I did that in my project. That would be something that would be really cool.
My favorite part of this class so far has been being able to take the concepts that I've been learning and building on for these last couple semesters and being able to apply them to real life scenarios. Like for example, this project with this bridge, it kind of shows how the work that I've been putting into my degree can actually pay off.
Environmental engineering is really important because it's just about keeping the environment and the way we build things safe. So it's really broad, but what I like about environmental engineering is you're still constructing things that help people, but you're also trying to keep the environment in mind. So like in water resources engineering, you're going to be helping build roadways and build like flood systems that help people like have their houses, have their transportation, but we're also making sure we're keeping the environment safe and doing all of that. So it's kind of protecting both us and the environment.